Good morning, stitchy friends. Welcome to Flossmas Frenzy, day 7. Yay! And it's snowing again. It's supposed to snow most of the day. Welcome to my channel. My name is Trisha, and I hope that you see something that you like here. I hope you're enjoying all your Christmas stitching as I am. However, yesterday I didn't get that much done. Yeah, I did a little bit of Christmas shopping, just a little. Yeah, I'll have to tell you what we're getting our grandson for Christmas. He's 6 and he is absolutely crazy about anything that crawls. He watches this YouTube channel of this guy who has a terrarium and he builds different habitats for different creepy crawly things. And Tristan just watches them over and over again. So I thought, in my infinite wisdom, that we would buy him a terrarium and it's got stuff in it. And we're going to get him giant American millipedes, just 2, a male and a female. Yeah, so Tristan can then build the habitat and he can handle the millipedes. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to picking them up. I don't like creepy crawly things. He loves them. You can't go for a walk anywhere without him wanting to turn over a log to see what's crawling out from underneath it. But I think he's going to be really thrilled with this gift. I think it's going to have to be a combination of a Christmas and birthday gift. His birthday's in March, so it's not too far away. Anyway, that's what we're getting him. Can't wait to see his face, but that's the joy of Christmas, isn't it? Seeing people's faces when they open their gifts. Yeah. Anyway, let's get on to what I've been up to. Stitching yesterday, let me get my iPad out ready. So the wheel spun, where am I? So the wheel spun, Santa stops here. This is a conversion by Katie Strachan. It's designed by With Thy Needle and Thread. So this is it here. I didn't get an awful lot done. Oh. Okay. So I took a screenshot. This is where I started yesterday. And you will see that not a lot was achieved. This is a 40 count linen 1/2 using 103s. So I just started to put more of the wording in. I think it's Candy House in German, basically. So I'm going to keep this out so to get a few more stitches in it today. These are the 103s. Aren't they just delicious? Trying to get out of the glare. Yeah. So that needs more work, that's for sure. I think I put in maybe just over 100 stitches. Let me check. Yeah, 106 stitches. That's terrible, really. Oh well, you know, I've been stitching quite consistently this week, so that's okay. The next one, which is my daily stitch at the moment, is Interior Christmas by Luca S. I do love this. I'm just wanting to get to some colour though. So So I'll show you where I was yesterday. So this is yesterday, and I put in over 400 stitches on this because I really wanted to get some stitches in it. Let's turn that round. So here we are. So I was working mainly down here, trying to move across because I know there's a stocking, a Christmas stocking here, and I'm desperate to get to that. It's red, it's got red in it. Here it is, just here. So I'm trying to work my way across to here. Definitely got to do it before Flossmas is up. So we'll be putting more work into that one. Yesterday, the movie was called The Rise of the Guardians. And it's a children's movie. It's a kid's movie. It's kind of animated, modern animation, basically. And it was good, actually. Well worth a watch. And I don't want to give anything away, but it is really kind of cute. So, you know, even if you've got children, they would love it, actually. I had seen bits and pieces of it before with my grandkids. Yeah, so it's worth a watch. So go and check it out. And what did you watch yesterday? You watch anything good? Yeah, did you get much stitching done? The next thing I want to talk about, like yesterday, I went out to Michael's and I was picking up thread because I'm in the wheel. There is another new start and it's called Winter Montage. And I picked up the threads for that yesterday. I'm just trying to find it here. It's here somewhere. Just bear with me a minute. Come on, I need to take my glasses off so I can see, and my antlers are gonna pop off my head. There we go. Oh goodness, where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, let me show you this one. I'm itching to start this. Make it a bit bigger. Oh. Doesn't help that the off button is right near my finger and my antlers are gonna pop. They are gonna pop. Here it is. Trying to get the glare of the window out of it. Yeah. So I picked up the DMC thread for this. Yeah. Look at this delicious bundle. Ooh. I don't have all of them. I think I'm missing about four threads from this. So Michael's did very good, actually, or did very well, I should say, in correct English. Usually they have more missing than that, but yeah. So it was a good haul yesterday. So I have something exciting to show you today before we do the wheelie spin. And it is this. It finally came. It is a stamped kit. And I haven't opened it. I did take a little peep, but I haven't opened it. So let's see what's in this box. It comes from, oh goodness, I can't remember the name of the company, and it doesn't say on the box. Actually, it came from China, but I know the company's in the UK. A number of people have bought kits from this company. So like I say, I actually did not, I just peeked in the box, but you have to see this. It is gorgeous. This is what it is. Let me take it out. I am quite excited about this. I'm taking it out so you don't have the glare as much. Look at him. Isn't he just delicious? This is the Christmas box. So this will be another new start. This will be my last new start for the year. This one and the winter montage. This one came up on my wheel. But I'll probably start him maybe on Christmas Day. Might be a good idea. So I have a new start on Christmas Day. But let's see. Oops. Nothing stays on my head. My hair is very fine and it's starting to get thin. My poor mom lost all her hair, so I'm kind of nervous about that. So this is the bag with all the deliciousness in it. Ugh. Oh, another pair of scissors. Okay, we've got a little bag like this. It's got some of that, I don't know what you use this for. If anybody can tell me, it's that tape stuff that everybody seems to go, well, a lot of people seem to go crazy about. Pair of scissors. Some needles. And, oh, it's a needle threader. Cute. So there's all of that. Put them all back. And whoa. This kit is from the Stamped Stitch Club. And I guess they have the kits made up in China. It took a very long time to get here, almost a month. I apologise for all the crinkling, but these are the threads. There's 3 cards, 3 plastic things of threads, all sorted, all ready to go. This would be a nice Christmas Day stitch. Yeah. And it is stitched on an 18 count Aida. It's got a card in here where you can put your chart name on and when you start and when you finish. Who knows when you'll finish? I shouldn't really show you this, but I'll just show you a bit of it. So this is how it comes. The Aida's quite stiff. But yeah. So that'll be exciting. That's something completely new for me. I just thought I'd give it a go and see what I think. Okay, so let's do the spinny thing and find out what I'm supposed to be stitching on today. Dum da dum. Let's hope I don't switch it off again. And I can't, oh, Heaven and Nature Sings. Oh, I love that one. So I'm really pleased about that. Let me show you. Let me show you a picture of this. by Kathy Barrack. Look at that. And I have my pile here. Not too sure where it is in the pile. Okay, let's see. So we can see where I'm starting from. Do we even have it here? Oh, this must be it. I think this is it. Yes. Put these over there. And this is my starting point. So I have to get some stitches in here today. I was thinking of starting an ornament that I got in the Advent box from the Historical Sampler Company. I think that would be pushing it, but we'll see. So there's that. And what movie am I going to watch today? Let's see what exciting movies are coming up. Oh, there I go again. Oh my goodness. Oh, A Christmas Carol. That'll be fun. I don't know what version we're going to watch, but fortunately there will be no hockey on tonight, so we will watch that. Let me know in the comments what you're going to be watching. Today's word, special word, is mistletoe, and that's good until midnight tonight. So please make a comment, add the word in your comment, and there'll be a draw on Christmas Day for someone to either win a gift card to 123 Stitch or a chart of your choice from Heaven and Earth Designs. I appreciate not everybody is a full coverage stitcher, so there's two options there. All right, so the code word is mistletoe today, and let's open number 7 from the Advent box. This is lumpy, and it's got a cute gnome on the front. So let's see what's in here. Aww. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, they knew I was collecting these. Look at him. Isn't he adorable? Oh, I have a tree with these on, my woodland tree. Oh, I am so happy. He is just adorable. I had no idea what that was in there. This is something I would like to try, is felting. But he's made from felt. He's not been felted, basically. But he is very cute, and he's going straight on the tree. Yes. Okay, my lovely people. It's time for me to go and get some stitching in. It's going to be snowing all day today, supposedly. It's coming down right now, so yeah. I hope you all have a lovely stitchy day or afternoon or evening, what time it is with you. It's, I don't know what time it is here. Oh, 9:25. I'm a little later today, but that's okay. I will see you again tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.